Turn your bed and breakfast guestbook into a review-generating machine. Stop letting those sweet guest comments collect dust and start turning them into bookings. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss future episodes. Trust me, you'll want to stick around for the golden tip at the end. It's that guestbook trick that can boost your Google rankings in under 10 minutes a week. So, why your guestbook is a gold mine? You know that charming little guestbook sitting in the hallway? The one that gets lovely comments like, best sleep we've had in ages, or loved the rhubarb jam? Well, guess what? It's not just a souvenir. That book is sitting on a treasure chest of free marketing content. When was the last time you actually used your guestbook for anything other than warm fuzzies? If your answer is, never, you're not alone. But let's change that. Love B&B chats like this? Tune into the Bed, Breakfast, and Business podcast, where we keep it real, useful, and sometimes a little funny. Step 1. Stop hiding it in the hallway. Guestbooks tend to gather dust on the sideboard, quietly soaking up compliments like a sponge. But here's a thought. What if it were center stage? Place it in a high-traffic, well-lit area. Use a little sign that says, "We'd love to hear about your stay. Your comments help future guests." Add a QR code linking to your Google review page. Yes, right there in the book. Let tech and tradition shake hands. Now, coming up, I'm going to talk about how to turn a handwritten guest entry into a powerful social media post. It's easier than you think. Step 2. Ask better questions. Instead of leaving a blank page, guide your guests with simple prompts. What was the highlight of your stay? Which breakfast dish did you love? What surprised you most about our B&B? This turns your guestbook from nice place to the scones were heavenly. The room smelled like lavender and nostalgia. Here's a usable tip. Print prompts on each page or insert a small card. This encourages detail and emotion, which are marketing gold. Step 3. Reuse guestbook comments online. Your guestbook is your very own quote bank. Use it to post a Guest of the Week quote on Instagram. Sprinkle quotes across your social media pages. Add flavor to your email newsletters. Remember, get consent. A quick tick box when they check in or out. I'm happy for my comments to be shared, anonymously or with my name. Want more visible tips? Subscribe to the Beds, Breakfast, and Business YouTube channel. You get practical marketing tips without all the jargon. You can find a link in the show notes. Step 4. Digitize with love. No one's calling into your hallway to read your guestbook before booking. So why not bring those compliments online? Type up the best entries of each month. Create a From Our Guests blog post. Add testimonial cider to your homepage. Don't over-edit. Leave the personality in. Guests relate to other people, not polished copy. Step 5. Follow up with flair. Now here's where the magic happens. If a guest writes something especially glowing, don't let it end there. Send a thank you email with a screenshot of their note. Ask if they'd like to copy it as a Google or TripAdvisor review. Offer a returning guest discount or an early booking opportunity. Here is a Build Your B&B from Dream to Doors Open course insight. The course recommends you automate your follow-ups. Set up a simple email sequence using your booking software. One gentle nudge can double your review rate. Here's a bonus tip. Let AI help. If you're typing up entries or creating graphics, use a free AI tool to turn your guest quotes into visual posts. Just paste the quote and pick a background image. Boom! You've just created a month's worth of content in just 30 minutes. Do you use your guest book for marketing, or is it mostly decorative? Let me know in the comments. Here are your key takeaways. Place your guest book where it'll be noticed. Use engaging prompts, not blank pages. Share quotes online with consent. Type up entries into blog or social content. Follow up and ask for reviews. If you've been overlooking your guest book, it's time to see what it really is. A free, ongoing guest-written marketing tool. By applying even one or two of these steps, you'll start creating a ripple effect of visibility, trust, and repeat bookings. Need help putting these systems in place? We covered this and much more in the Build Your B&B from Dream to Doors Open course. It's all laid out, step by step. Want more inspiration? Check out the How to Build a Strong B&B Brand That Stands Out, episode 70. You can find all past posts on the Beds, Breakfast, and Business website. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any future episodes. And if you found today's episode helpful, feel free to buy us a coffee. And we'll toast you with an extra strong cup.